Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing great today. For today's meal, we're going to do something a little different than what we normally do. And it's called Crockpot Cranberry Chicken. And we've actually made this before, but it's been a long time ago. But Marie and I, we love chicken. Almost any way you cook it, we like it. So we're going to give this a try. I think it's going to be a very delicious meal. This meal only calls for 4 ingredients. And what we're using, I'm using 2 chicken breasts, but I cut them in half, so it made 4 pieces. I'm going to use 1 pack of this onion soup mix, 1 can of cranberry sauce. This is the whole berry cranberry sauce, and 8 ounces of Catalina dressing. And so let me go ahead and get started on this. This is a very fast meal. Of course, the crock pot takes a while to cook, but it's real fast to assemble. Okay, I've already sprayed my pan, and so first thing I'm going to do is put my chicken in here. I hear the wind blowing outside. It's going to be a windy day, I think, all day long. And this morning we actually had a weather alert saying be sure and don't start any fires because of the wind blowing.
I know it's been very dry here for months.
Yes. Okay, got my 4 pieces of chicken in there. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this bowl here. And let me get my cranberry sauce opened up. Okay, there's our cranberries. And I'm going to add 8 ounces, and this is a 16-ounce bottle, so it'll be 1/2 of this bottle. Okay. And I'm going to add the onion soup mix, but first I want to go ahead and get this mixed up. I love how that smells. It looks great, don't it, Marie?
It does. I think we're going to serve ours over rice today.
Yes. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this mixture and put it in a separate bowl. Put maybe about 2 spoonsful. Okay, just need a drop more. Okay, now I have a reason for that, and you'll see why later, but I'm going to set that to the side. And let me get one of my onion soup mixes.
There's so many things you can make with that, isn't there?
Yes. Now you can use any brand of the onion soup mix. We just happen to have the Lipton today. Most of the time we buy the Great Value, don't we, Marie?
Yes, we do, because we like to save money, don't we?
Absolutely. Okay, get this mixed up real good. Show you what that looks like right there. Okay, now it's just as simple as putting this on top of your chicken, and I'm just going to let it pour in there. And this will make some real good sauce to put on the rice when we serve it. So it's going to be fantastic. And I'll just spread it around real good so there's some on all the chicken. Okay, next step, I'm going to turn this on low. And I'm going to cook ours on low for about 5 to 6 hours. I'll check it because it may not need that long. But the recipe says you can either cook it on high for 3 hours or low for 5 to 6. So we'll get this covered up. We're going to let it cook. We are going to have some sides with it today. Marie and I talked about it, but I don't remember exactly what we decided. But we're going to have 2 sides to go with it besides rice. Okay, so we'll see you back in about 5 or 6 hours this afternoon. Marie and I's got a little bit of running around we're going to get done today while this is cooking. That's the wonderful thing about Crockpot meals. The food's cooking while you're doing other things. Okay, we'll see you back in just a little while. Okay, we're back, everyone, and I've already got our food in the plate. We're having the cranberry chicken. We're having sweet potatoes that have been baked, and we're having broccoli. And then I had told you earlier, I saved out some of this sauce. And so what I'm going to do, I put this in the refrigerator to keep it good and cold. But I'm going to put some of this sauce on top of the chicken now. Okay. And then the one other thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this sauce on the rice. And it really has been smelling good today, hasn't it, Marie?
Yes.
Okay. Now it may want to drip, so I'll try not to drip it all over everything. Okay. Get you some, Marie.
If you want me to do a taste test, you're going to have to cut my chicken for me.
Oh, okay. I didn't think about that. But we will take care of it, Marie. Okay. Okay, Marie. I'm not used to cutting chicken for you.
I can eat
I'm
with
gonna use your
my
fork.
I can eat with my left hand, but I wouldn't be able to eat meat unless it was cut.
Let me get a picture first. There,
Boy,
will that be enough right there? Just a
Yeah.
small taste.
Yes, it cut nicely.
Oh yeah, just fell apart, didn't it? And out of habit, I always cut mine with a fork. Okay, Marie, you ready to do a taste test on it?
Yeah.
It sure does look good, don't it?
It's got a really good taste to it too.
That was good, Marie.
Yes.
Let me
it
try some of
really
this
was.
rice here with the salts on it.
I love the sweetness and the tanginess of it. It's delicious.
Try some of the rice with that salts on top of it. See what you think. It's a little hard to get, isn't it?
But it's delicious. That sauce on the rice is fantastic.
I could have made a meal just out of the rice and the sauce.
Yes,
It's that good.
that's true.
Okay, and then of course we are having sweet tea, or I should say unsweetened tea with artificial sweetener. But we love our tea, don't we, Marie?
Yes. I also love this beautiful day today.
It
It's
is.
so pretty here in Georgia.
Okay, Marie, I think we need to go in yonder and sit down and enjoy this good meal while it's still good and hot. And hope everyone enjoyed watching me make this. This was Marie's idea. She asked me several days ago to make this.
Yeah, I was planning on making it, but I have to have a little help now.
And when we went to see, this chicken came from Walmart. And so when we did our pickup order, we got some chicken for it. And I used 2 breasts. And we got 2 pieces in here and these 2. So we get 2 meals off of this. But that pack of chicken made 4 more packs of chicken breasts. I cut each one of them in half. And I'll put those in the freezer. So the next time we do, the next 4 times we do a chicken video, we've already got our chicken bought for it.
Yeah, I think
So
we
that'll
should
work good.
do a good creamy chicken soup next.
We're definitely going to be doing chicken soup very soon. Okay, everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. And I know we're going to enjoy this meal. That sauce is just so good.
Yes, and that's so easy. Just put it in the crock pot and then you've got this delicious, economical, easy meal. And we went about doing our errands and everything today and just put this together just a few minutes ago.
Okay, well, we will go ahead and close this video out. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video.
And y'all do what you love and love what you do. And y'all have a great day. And I hope your weather is as pretty as it is here in Georgia today. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern country living, where love and life collide. Do what you love.